Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna try and strip this Bosch that I got. So I've cleaned it up the best I can. That's from a previous wash I did because we lost power and I couldn't drain it. So yeah, it's pretty clean. But essentially it needs new bearings and it's going to go into the 1600 one. I would use this front panel because it's not got rust, so I'm thinking of using that. Maybe using this door but changing the glass because this one's quite scratched and it just looks rough. And yeah. So now I've taken out all the screws around here. So the tub should just come away. Oh, the tub has come away. I'm pretty well how well it's like. I'm pretty impressed with how well I've cleaned it. There's that's there. There's some in there. Bearings don't look too bad. So it seems like it'd be a pretty easy job. The spider itself, it's not too bad, I don't think. We can clean it up. And because we need to clean down in there, really, like right below the spider, because the dents from the drum, there's like dents in here, if you can see. So we're going to clear that out to get rid of those dents and descale it essentially and clean it up if need be. But yeah, it's not looking too bad. This is from obviously the spider. So I'm gonna try and descale the spider a bit more and give it a scrub. So I'm gonna go in with some Viacool. So yeah, we're just gonna spray that all in there. Try not to get it on the spindle itself. Give that a good soak and see what it's like. Hey guys, so Bosch is in the house. The drum is in the house now. So this is all I'm doing for today, and then hopefully tomorrow, if it's sunny, we'll try and do the bearings and actually get it up and running. But for now, we've got it soaking with some spray again. I've scrubbed as much as I can. As you can see, it's like the colours, you know, the black is fading off. So yeah, this will soak overnight and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. See ya! Hey guys, welcome back. So it is now the next day and Bosch's spider's cleaned up pretty well. But essentially we're on to the tub now. So we're just starting off with the back bearing. This one, as you can see, it's working its way out slowly. So I'm going to carry on doing that. Now, the tools I'm using to get the bearing out is this part. This one is basically a screwdriver and a hammer. So, if you don't have bits of wood like me or anything, you can probably... So these are all very safe. And there we go, the bearing is out. So we can fit our new bearings in there. These are the old ones, if you want to see. So I think the next stage is to get this one out and the bearing seal out. So I will go and check how to do that again. So now we're on to the other bearing, and I'm pretty sure I just do the same, like what I did before basically. Again, this is my first bearings change, and yeah, not too bad. It's not going too bad. Let's hope it stays that way. If this isn't working, but we'll see. And there we go. The bearing is out. So that came out finally at last. This is the bearing. If anyone wants to say, it's pretty nasty. This is the bearing seal. Just a butt ton of grease. But yeah, it looks all good now. Give it a clean and try and fit the new ones. Our new bearing to go in, as you can see, this one. So gonna get ready to put this in. I'm guessing it just goes on like so. That looks good. Oops, I kind of like. Let's not do that. Right, so I don't know if I damaged the bearing or not, but we're just gonna carry on hammering it down. This is the motor from the XL. It's pretty good condition. It sounds good as well, so that's a bonus. But I did get some new brushes, so here they are. So while we wait for the new bearings, we're gonna do the brushes. I believe this pulls out like that. Okay, wow, it doesn't need new brushes. That's, yeah. I guess we won't be fitting these ones. We'll just give the motor a clean up, put some grease on it, and it should be good to go. This is the XL now. As you can see the inside, this is the broken drum. By looks of it, it's never had any bearings or anything from what I can see so far. Yeah, overall it's pretty tidy. It's just got some rust down here. So I might try clean that up if I can. Sump, heater, all looks good. Yeah, it all looks pretty good. I will probably replace these two bars because of how rusty they are. And this will also get replaced, so I'm not going to bother cleaning that. And yeah, it will have a jet of a nozzle on there soon. So it should go just from there to there, and then to the door sill. Really, because I probably won't use this door sill. So yeah, it will go essentially from there to there, and and shoot the water out. But yeah, I'm gonna carry on stripping it. We've got the motor out, we've already had a look at that, that's all sorted. So yeah, it just needs the drum in it, really. This tub is out. This is the heating element. I'm trying to figure out what detergent was used in it. It smells a bit like bold lavender detergent, I think, but powder, because obviously, I mean, you can tell it's been used with powder. It's all like scaly and just nasty. But yeah, this tub, well, it's not gonna get saved because Spider's gone. But yeah, we'll just wait till the Bosch Classic Express 1400 tub is done and it should be sorted. These are also the front panels, so we're going to use that one, which is off the 1400 one. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure it should fit. I'm hoping. But yeah, I'm going to use that one. It's a bit more better condition. And then I've got this one from the 1400 one. Well, not this exact one, but the other one. And yeah, we've got one clean housing inside, ready to fit. Hey guys, so it's officially a few days later. It is very, very windy today, so excuse the poor quality. But we've got the old bearing that went wrong, as you can see. So we're going to use this one to essentially hammer in the new one. So let's hope it doesn't go wrong, or I will quit. Anyway, let's get started. So now we are on to the bearing seal now. So I've got it out. So we've hammered that one in pretty far now. I can't hammer it anymore with the bearing, otherwise the old one will get stuck. So I'm gonna go with this now. We're just gonna try and pop it in like so. It looks pretty good. Now we will go on to the rear bearing. So this one. So essentially I've got two of them. I'm gonna use this one to go in there and then this one to hammer it in. So let's get to it. So now we're on to the rear bearing. So we've got this one. Just gonna try and fit in there. Put the old one on top and we're gonna just hammer it in. Right, so I believe the rear bearing is all in place now and we're ready to assemble Bosch. So now I've given Bosch's tub a bit of a clean. This is the front part, so that's all ready to go on. But before we put the tub on, we're just going to put some silicone grease just on the bearing seal and stuff like that. I don't know how much to add, I'm just doing like that much. I just hope that'll be okay. I think that should be pretty good. So let's get assembly. So I've cleaned up the shaft as well, and the spider's pretty clean now. So I'm just gonna apply some of the grease around the base of the spider as well. Just a little bit around there, and a bit on the shaft, just to get that nice and sealed. Hopefully that should be all right. So now we've got our tub ready. I'm just gonna pop it on. Right, and now I'm gonna put the pulley on. So just put that on like that. Put the screw in like so. That's nice and tight. That seems good. So now we're gonna put the tub back together. I just need to figure out which way it goes on. So it's now time to put the screws in. So I put one there, one on the same side that side, and one on that side, and one on that side. So it should all tighten together pretty smoothly, hopefully. I have lost all my other tools, so we're gonna have to use this. So I've just put the seal on, so it seems, I'm pretty sure it's in the right spot. So we've got our seal band, so I'm gonna have a go at doing that. Oh, that's done. So as you can see, Bosch is back together. Hopefully it will work. I'm leaving the shocks, but I got the seal fitted now and the little bit up there. So I'm just gonna whack it on a rinse, I reckon. Yeah, just do that. Doesn't seem to be leaking so far anywhere, so that was already like that, but it's from the tap.